So how can you actually build passive income online? Well, we're going to have a look at the Passive Income Geek and see exactly how he does it, but also I'm going to share with you another comparison to show you the differences between the two. And if you stay to the video right to the end, I'm going to go right into detail on exactly how this is going to help you. So if you want to build passive income, it's always a good idea to have assets which are producing your affiliate income every single day, every single month, every single year. And one of the best ways to do that is by having your own website where you can put affiliate links to programs which is going to pay you ongoing. So I'm going to have a look at two programs. Like I said, one of them is the Passive Income Geek. You can see he has a course here, but it's very interesting to see. Not only does he put it up front on how much it actually costs, but also everything that's in the course itself. So if we go through it, he's got a little describer video here, just a tiny little clip. It's only 1 minute long, and he does highlight the fact that it is part of a community as well. He goes into great detail on what's in the course, so you know exactly what to expect. And there's a few testimonials too, which is always good to have testimonials because it's very easy for a course creator to talk about their products. But when you get it third party, it does actually help you out to make that decision whether or not this is right for you. And I always like seeing course creators with a video so you can know what they're like, because to be honest, you're going to actually having to listen to this person for a good few hours worth of content. They're the ones that are going to be doing all the videos and all the talking in the videos. And if you don't find that you've got that rapport with them, it's going to be very difficult for you to actually sit through and get the content. One thing I did like about this is that there is lots of updates, and you can actually see here on the screen the timeline of updates as they're put on as well. The course itself actually goes through how to build affiliate websites from scratch. So if you have never done this before, it's going to be ideal. It does look like a beginner's course, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to not cover those for who are advanced as well. Another key thing as well, if you see here, it's actually got examples of sites that you can go and have a look. Now this is quite unexpected because most times when people are putting information about a course out, they might not show the actual sites that they've previously built themselves. So this is kind of unique. But I did also want to compare this to a very good friend of mine's course called Greg Jeffries, who did SEO domination, because the way that he actually builds affiliate websites is completely different and you've probably never seen it before. And there's actually 5 steps to this. So first step is to identify a product that you want to sell and become an affiliate of. The second step is quite simple. Instead of just going for tiny little niche keywords, and the interesting point about this is that we go for all of the keywords rather than just focusing on the ones that are going to be easiest to rank. We literally go through every single possibility of keywords. Now, I don't know about you, but if you were going to go out and throw, let's say if you're going to go fishing and you throw one hook into the water versus a guy or girl who might get out there with a fishing trawler, you are going to find that the trawler will bring home more fish than that first person out there fishing. And the nice thing is, all of those people are looking for that particular product, right? And all you're doing is connecting the traffic, that offer, with the people that want it. So it's really simple and easy to do. Step 5 is pretty self-explanatory. As Greg shows here, we just collect the commissions. And that's one of the most important parts of any type of passive income. So if I was to sum up the main differences between the two courses, in the Passive Income Geek, he's telling you how to actually put sites together and go for those niche keywords and also those niche products and services. Whereas with Greg's course, he's actually going to show you how to identify the product to sell and then literally blanket the internet, finding all the keywords and articles to go with them as well. There is also a big difference in price. Greg's course, as we are recording this, is about $1,000, whereas the Passive Income Geek is much cheaper, only around $400. However, prices change all the time, so it might not be that as you look at it. There's also affiliate programs for both. Greg offers a 50% affiliate commission for his program. So if you refer it to somebody else, you're going to earn $500 commission on that one. So that's obviously a win for you. And the Passive Income Geek, he's offering 25%. So it's about $99 in commission if you decide to sell his product using his methods. And of course, I'm going to put links to both of the courses in the description. So make sure you go ahead and have a look at that yourself and decide which one's best for you. And of course, if you are thinking of more ways to earn passive income online, then go ahead and watch this video next, because that is the most important thing, is to keep educating yourself so you can keep earning.